And the screen is black. So the screen froze up. Basically, it started kind of freezing up. I would just let it run some videos. I did run the firmware for over 5 minutes, and it was fine. Then after that, I just put YouTube and I play. Usually, I play like a 24/7 aquarium, which is just a video that just keeps playing. And I noticed it started hesitating. I was doing some searches right now, hesitating, and then I went back to firmware to run the I noticed it was, hesitating, having some issues, and it just froze solid. So when I forced restart it, it had also turned, the screen turned pink already one time too. I came back to it prior, and the screen was frozen pink, but then I restarted it, and it kept working again. So let's crank it up again. So I mean, the video card has a problem. That's what's causing all these issues. Now in this case, like, it's an intermittent problem, right? So it comes, it goes. Which are the worst ones to diagnose? Because usually, if your video card just dies, it makes your diagnosis easy. You put it on, it doesn't work. You put another one on, it works. You're done. But this here, when it's dying slowly, gradually, it makes it much more difficult, because you put it on, it works, and then maybe you continue to diagnose something else. But as we can see, the other computer's been running for 24. His computer's been running for 24 hours, which is another video card. And then this already has had a couple problems. It did turn pink, and now it froze black, and then now we're gonna see what it does now, and we'll run some firmware, stress the GPU, and that should hopefully trigger it again, just to double, triple confirm. What could have been happening, like the first time that he brought it in, and it would immediately go into that pink screen, is maybe he had cranked it up at home, and then when it came in, it was already basically warmed up. So when I started testing it, the computer was off for at least a day. So maybe that's why it cranked up and everything looked pretty good. Sometimes you'll have a problem where it does take a while to manifest itself. So this is the stuff that I was playing. That right there.
Explore the largest zoo and gardens in Florida. Hand-feed friendly giraffes their favorite snacks.
Crank up firmware. So firmware, will stress. If you're not familiar with it, that'll stress your GPU. Let's turn off the volume. Stress out the GPU. If the GPU is failing, usually this is going to trigger it. Even though I had ran it already for, I ran it for over 5 minutes. Not that that's a super long time, but if you got a failing GPU, how it was failing like immediately, 5 minutes running there should have triggered it. I also got this little guy, but this doesn't stress my PC. This one doesn't. Let's just try it, but this doesn't put as much stress on it. So we got both those running. So while we can't, at least for now, like trigger the error on demand, it's the video card. It could have bad RAM, right? So that happens with even computers. You could have some bad RAM, not that the whole RAM is bad, but the computer will run, and you can run it for hours, and then eventually, when it hits that area of the RAM, it fails, but the computer could work good for a while. So here, where you got it stressed out, and we're running the video back there. So I'm just going to keep running it. This will be the last test. This will be 3 strikes once this one fails. That's what's going on right here, right now at PC 911.